Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm spanner, and a pair of pliers. Having these tools ready will streamline the process significantly. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner from the mains to ensure safety. Next, remove the dust container and any filters to access the motor compartment. This is crucial as it allows for a clear view of the components you will be working with. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the top cover of the vacuum. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Now you should see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, it's advisable to clean the internal area of the vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This not only helps in maintaining the vacuum, but also provides a clearer workspace. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. Carefully note the connections, as you will need to replicate them when installing the new motor. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you understand the process better. Once the wiring is disconnected, use the 10mm spanner to remove the bolts securing the motor in place. Keep these bolts safe, as they will be required for the new motor installation. After removing the bolts, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Now, take your new motor and place it into the housing. Ensure it fits snugly and aligns with the bolt holes. Reinsert the bolts and tighten them securely using the spanner. It's important to ensure that the motor is firmly in place to avoid any operational issues later on. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring that each connection matches the original setup. If you're unsure, refer to any notes or photographs you may have taken during disassembly. Once the wiring is connected, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the top cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned correctly and that there are no loose parts. Before testing the vacuum, it's wise to give it a final clean, ensuring that no tools or debris are left inside. Now, plug the vacuum back into the mains and turn it on to test the new motor. If it runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Additionally, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. In conclusion, replacing the motor in your CONGA 5796 can be a straightforward task if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can extend the life of your vacuum cleaner significantly. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.